Dear homeopathic lover, I am Dr. Anwarul Haq from Mograhat. Today I learn with you a important homeopathic medicine, the mental symptom of causticum. The mental symptom of causticum. Mental ailments are from long-lasting grief. Mental ailments are from long-lasting grief, sorrow, fear, fright, and sudden emotion. Sorrow, fear, fright, and sudden emotion. The patient has intense sympathy. The patient has intense sympathy for the suffering of others. Melancholy mood, very sad, hopeless, weeping mood, excessive anxiety, full of apprehension and despondency, weakness of memory, absence of mind are very well marked. Insanity after suppression of skin eruption. The causticum are well marked symptom, insanity after suppression of skin symptom. The melancholy mood, full of anxiety, full of apprehension. Thank you for watching the mental symptom of causticum, whose proving by Dr. Samuel Hahnemann.